got the Subi, we've got the MX-5. We're off to Yakushi. Let's see how it goes. So, we arrived very late yesterday and just wanted food. So we didn't really film, I didn't film anything anyway. So we're at Yakushi. They've just done the award ceremony. It's pretty much halfway through the end of Saturday. And yeah, what is Yakushi? Well, Yakushi is a Japanese car show, but it's very chill, very relaxed. It's pretty much the last big show of the year. And it's all about coming together, bit of camping as you can see, chilling out, relaxing and enjoying some Japanese cars. It's not far out of Silverstone, so if you do get the opportunity, definitely go and have a look. But I'm just gonna bless you with some bits of camping, some Japanese cars from the show and shine, and yeah, just the car community in general.
I got nightmares in my head, I fear that the thoughts build up until I can't hear, that my mind fills up into a creature, and it haunts me somewhere much deeper. Anxiety, filling up every space, no privacy. And silently, it could build and build until you finally see, whoa, it's taking over, damn no closure, moving closer. No exposure, I just wanna be a loner. Some can't stay sober, looking over all their shoulders, like moving boulders just to get out of the home. It sucks, I've had enough, I don't wanna feel the stuck under the rug, all my problems that I shove. I got nightmares in my head, I fear that the thoughts build up until I can't hear, that my mind fills up into a creature, and it haunts me somewhere much deeper. I got nightmares in my head, I fear that the thoughts build up until I can't hear, that my mind fills up into a creature, and it haunts me somewhere much deeper. I've been feeling weird, I can't seem to focus good enough, nothing's really clear, sometimes it could be a little tough. I just need to feel like the end's in sight for me, but let's be really real, anxiety can foggy all this stuff. I've been feeling weird, I can't seem to focus good enough, nothing's really clear, sometimes it could be a little tough. I just need to feel like the end's in sight for me, but let's be really real, anxiety can foggy all this stuff. It sucks when you finally feel like giving up. Oh God, no luck, everything feels like you're sticky stuck. I'm lost, handcuffed to the bed where I sleep, don't give a fuck. Can't stop, unplug, feeling overwhelmed, I think I've had enough. Gotta find a way to get some energy, gotta find someone who's a good friend of me. I need purpose to make it all worth it, I'm still searching and I'm still learning. I want a life that's filled with memories, not a life with regret in front of me. I need focus to keep me.
So a beautiful place to finish Yakushi, out by the lake. From what I hear, it's quite a scenic place where everyone gets photographs. So I thought we'd bring the cars over. The MX-5 Subaru have done really well. Didn't win any prizes because we didn't enter anything. Sleeping in the tent box is always really, really nice. And it was nice to actually get the MX-5 out and have a bit of fun with it. So yeah, a bit of a weird video, not much talking, just lots of shenanigans and some of the really cool sights that you can see. Massive thanks again to Ian, who's going to send over some footage that we're going to be able to use, and hopefully from the skies, making it look really, really cool. Anyway, thank you all very much for watching. Please like, comment, rate and subscribe, and we'll see you in the next one.